Hello friends, how are you? Hope all are fine. In previous video we have seen introduction of new syllabus of standard 12 for subject mathematics. Now in this video we are going to see maths part 2nd and its first lesson, differentiation. In previous year, that is in standard 11, we have seen derivative. Derivative means differentiation. The derivative of f of x with respect to x, that is f dash of x, is equal to limit h tends to 0 in bracket f of x plus h minus f of x upon h, and it can be written as dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. Now let us see derivative of some standard functions. Y is equal to f of x. Its derivative dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. Already we have seen all these formulae in standard 11. Number 1, x raised to n is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. Number 2, 1 upon x is equal to minus 1 upon x square. 1 upon x raised to n, it means x raised to minus n is equal to minus n x raised to minus n minus 1. It can be written as minus n upon x raised to n up plus 1. Root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Sin x is equal to cos x. Cos x is equal to minus sin x. Tan x is equal to sec square x. Sec x is equal to sec x tan x. Similarly, some functions are given and we have to find its derivative. Cosec x, its derivative minus cosec x into cot x. Cot x, its derivative minus cosec square x. E raised to x, its derivative e raised to x. A raised to x, where a is constant, its derivative a raised to x log of a. Log x, its derivative 1 upon x. Log of x to the base a, its derivative 1 upon x log a. C is any constant term or any constant number and its derivative is 0. Now let us see. Question: differentiate the following with respect to x. Function y is given root x square plus y. By using this formula we can find its derivative. This example is in the type dy by dx root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. By using this formula we can solve this example. Therefore, differentiating with respect to x, therefore dy by dx is equal to d by dx of in bracket root x square plus 5. Root x square plus 5 is in the form root x and therefore its derivative 1 upon 2. Root x means 1 upon 2 root x. Therefore root x square plus 5 is equal to its derivative 1 upon 2 in root x square plus 5. And again we have to take the derivative of this term. Therefore d by dx of x square plus 5 1 upon 2 root x square plus 5 as it is, and again we have to take the derivative of x square plus 5. Therefore d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 5 1 upon 2 in root x square plus 5, and derivative of x square, it means 2x, and 5 is constant term, therefore its derivative is 0. Now 2x is multiplied to 1, therefore we can write 2x upon 2 in root x square plus 5. Now 2 divided by 2, therefore it get cancelled, and therefore x upon root x square plus 5. This is the final answer. And therefore we got derivative of this function dy by dx is equal to x upon root x square plus 5. Similarly, we have to see second example. Y is equal to sine log x. Example is given. Y is equal to sine log x. We have to find its derivative. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x, because function y is given in the variable x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sine log of x. Now first we have to find the derivative of sine x. After that we have to find the derivative of log x. Therefore, derivative of sine, already we have seen formula for sine x. Its derivative is cos x. Therefore, cos of log of x. And now we have to take the derivative of log of x. Therefore, d by dx of log of x. Cos log of x as it is. Derivative of log of x is equal to 1 upon x. And again we have to take the derivative of x, d by dx of x. But d by dx of x is equal to 1, and therefore cos log of x into 1 upon x into 1. It means that cos log of x into 1 is equal to cos log of x upon x. And this is the derivative of the given function y is equal to sine log of x. Let us see third example. Y is equal to e raised to tan x. Already we know that the derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So this example is in the form of e raised to x. Y's function is given in the variable x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x, and therefore dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e raised to tan x. But we know that derivative of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. Here we can write derivative of e raised to tan x, e raised to tan x, and now we have to take the derivative of tan x. But the derivative of tan x is sec square x, and therefore e raised to tan x as it is, and derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x. And therefore we got answer of the given function y is equal to e raised to tan x. Dy by dx is equal to e raised to tan x into sec square x. Let us see next example. Y is equal to log x square plus 4. Already we know that the derivative of log of x, the derivative of log of x is equal to 1 upon x. So this example is in the form log of x. Now y's function is given in the variable x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x. And therefore dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log of x square plus 4. But we know that the formula for derivative for log of x is equal to 1 upon x. Therefore derivative of log of x square plus 4 is 1 upon x square plus 4. We have taken the derivative of log of x square plus 4. Now we have to take the derivative of next term x square plus 4. 1 upon x square plus 4 as it is. Now derivative of this x square plus 4, d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 4. But 4 is constant term and therefore its derivative is 0. Therefore d by dx of x square is 2x. We can write again 1 upon x square plus 4, derivative of this term x square, that is 2x, and derivative of constant term, that is 4, is 0. Now 2x is multiplied to 1, therefore 2x upon x square plus 4, and this is the derivative of the given function y is equal to log of x square plus 4. My dear students, revise the given examples and note down all these examples in your notebook, and also you have to learn all these formulas, and don't forget to watch next video. Bye.